Last night was really hard. Crushed my entire campsite and took off my tarp and everything. I now don't have a computer.
Welcome back to the channel, Fat Boys. Do you know what day it is?
Guess what day it is?
It is officially Daytona Beach time, which means we need to get on the highway and start heading up to our campsite. Let's go, Fat Boys. 93 dead dinosaurs. Well, we're here, guys. Let's see if I can figure out where the hell I'm supposed to go. Officially all checked in, and now it is time to go set up the campground. Let's do it. And now that the campground is finally all set up, I'm gonna go meet up with some friends. Time to start the party of Daytona Beach Bike Week. Let's get it. So let's go on ahead and hop right on over there. We're heading on over to OB's restaurant. That's where I'm meeting up with them. They already got a nice little head start. I'll tell you what, I'm not liking the look of these clouds. Pretty? Not pretty. Here we go! OB's! Never been here before. Haven't been a lot of places. This is why I moved away! Oh! Holy crap! Oh my god! Oh!
One eternity later.
Peace out, homie. Drive safe now. Bye-bye. Bye-bye now. Well, that was an absolutely crazy freaking rainstorm that I felt like came out of nowhere. Holy crap. But, you know, it's fun. It's all fun and games. So now it is time for the Cabbage Patch. First time going there also. I'm doing all kinds of new firsts. So, change of plans again. We're having bike problems with my friend's sisters. We're having some electrical short issues, so this is going to be interesting. I think so far this is like the 10th time we stopped. Poor girl. She keeps talking about how her bike keeps sputtering, and it feels like it's just like the whole electrical system just stops. So there's no spark, so she gets no compression, no bang, no push, bang, push, bang, bang, push, suck, push, bang, blow. There we go.
Now shut up and off you go. Suck, squeeze, bang, blow. Suck, squeeze, bang, blow.
She gets the suck, she gets the push, she doesn't get the bang. So because there's somewhere a short on her bike, it keeps shorting out the system, so she's not able to, it just keeps stopping on her. So we're taking our time, we're constantly going, stopping, and taking as many stops as we need to. And all of that to say, in short, that when you have a fellow biker in need of help and something isn't going right, do what you can to do your part to help out, because sometimes shit just hits the fan and everyone needs a little help every now and then. I don't have to keep following them all the way, but I'm just gonna make sure that they make it there and do whatever I can to help.
A few inches later.
These guys literally just accepted us, and we pulled over because of the rain, and we just pulled over and they literally just decided to start helping us on the bike. So huge shout out to these guys for being A+ team right here. This is what literally the amazing biker stories all start out to be. So thank you guys.
Yep, no problem. Absolutely.
Okay, remind me of your guys' names, because I'm giving you guys a huge shout out. Do you have an Instagram that you want to shout out to?
I don't have Instagram. I am Dave Robb. Is literally my Instagram.
I don't even know my
Appreciate
it. People just find me.
I'm not surprised.
What?
Yeah, there's one right there. Oh no, Dave, it's not in here.
No?
No.
Okay. Yeah, screw the shit out of that. It's hot. It's still hot. Okay.
God damn it.
My hands are out.
We've had a little bit too much to drink.
There's never too much. It's
What is too much?
exactly. Okay. It is the next day now. So this is gonna be a little vent. A little bit of a coming to heart, because last night was really hard. We ended up getting over to the friend's house and they allowed me to stay there for a while. I went with them to go pick up the bike with the trailer and everything was good. We sat around and talked a while. I waited for a break in the storm because it was still absolutely downpouring the entire time. And so then after that, I finally got a break in the storm. About 40-minute ride back to the campsite. Returned here, and you remember that rainstorm that happened while we were out at OB's? Yeah, that one. It literally crushed my entire campsite and took off my tarp and everything. So my entire tent on the inside was completely soaked. Luckily, my clothing was dry because I kept it in the bag, but my entire computer got soaked, so I now don't have a computer. I'm kind of debating on what I should be doing and what's going to be the next steps. How long do I stay here? What am I doing next? It also rained all last night. Got a little bit wet on the inside, but not too bad. Let's make some coffee. I need coffee. Super strong coffee, just what I need today. I'm gonna take a couple minutes to sit here and enjoy this. I'll catch you in a few. And we are here now. So what ended up happening was I am calling my good friends again, and they are so kind to let me come and crash with them for the night. So I am starving. The last time I ate was probably 24 hours ago. So we are heading on over to Hooligans, because when you're in Daytona, you have to go to Hooligans. It is absolutely amazing. You got to get their Wally wings. So we are also heading up to Destination Daytona, so that way we can kill two birds with one stone. We're gonna go have fun at the destination, and we are gonna be just having fun out there, drinking, eating, chill out there for a little bit. I think we're gonna catch some rain while we're over there, so we're just gonna be spending some time out over there. So let's go on ahead and hop on over there, shall we? Oh, and we made it. Hell yeah. That was absolutely delicious. So happy to go to Hooligans. Whenever you come to Daytona, you must go to Hooligans and you must get Wally Wings. Just as an FYI. So much fun walking around, seeing all the vendors. Ended up getting some Memphis Shade stuff because I've been trying to get it for a while. So that's going to be so nice to have. And so I think I finally decided what I'm going to end up doing. I think I'm actually going to call it quits. Take my losses and kind of head home because of weather up north and everything that's been happening down here. So weather down here and weather up there. I'm cutting my losses and just decided to head home early tomorrow morning. It is currently Thursday? Yeah. And it's just supposed to keep raining all week down here. And then on Saturday, it's supposed to be snowing up north back at home. So I'm just cutting my losses. I'm heading home. I'm tired of the weather. I'm tired of all of the crappiness happening down here. This year, bike week, you sucked ass. I kind of wish I chose differently. I had the choice between Bike Week and Forgotten Angels Camp Out, and I wish I chose Forgotten Angels Camp Out. That would have been so much better. Would have spent a lot less money. Would have probably had a better time, seen more of my fellow YouTuber friends, and met a whole bunch of more of you guys, because I know a lot of you guys have come to my channel because of the Forgotten Angels Camp Out videos that I've done. But I guess I will try to go to that in October, depending on the weather again. And so with all that being said, hopefully you guys have enjoyed these videos and the crazy adventure of Bike Week this year. By the time you see this video, I will already be up in Virginia. I'm not going to record my adventure heading back up north because I already recorded the adventure coming down. You guys don't need to see the same thing. It's just going to be in reverse. I just want to say I really appreciate all you guys, but if you also want to help me out at all, I'm not telling anyone to do this, but if you ever feel the need to help support a small channel, please feel free to reach out into my Patreon. That helps out the channel a lot. There's ways you can help me out, especially with the loss of the computer. It is greatly appreciated. All of these trips and a loss of computer is really expensive. So with that, I'm going to end the video here. I'm going to end the Daytona Beach trip right here. So if you enjoyed this, make sure you go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It is greatly appreciated, really helps out the channel. If you're new here, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure you ring that bell notification so you know when the next video comes on out. Catch you on the next one. Peace.